Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Special Features. Now scroll all the way down, click on Simple Mode and choose Enter Simple Mode at the bottom. So when I click, as you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to disable it, click on Settings app again, but this time select Exit Simple Mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!